Hey, this is Gary back from Distribution Resolution, and I wanted to walk you through my Excel model. In this particular model, we have five different tabs. The most important tab is going to be the waterfall instructions. These waterfall instructions go through everything in detail, how everything is laid out, why it's laid out like that, and how you can get more out of your waterfalls. Please make sure to look at this and have a better understanding of what's going on. In this particular model, we have three different waterfalls. We have the green, the blue, and the orange. And we also have three different tabs. Each tab is correlated to a different colored table. So the green one is correlated with the green, the blue with the blue, the orange with the orange. In the Waterfall Overview tab, we have a couple of basic information. We have the dates. It's important that it's month, day, year. We have the profits. What are going to be the profits? We have the LP amount, the GP amount, the starting date, and we also have the splits. You can also add in more distributions if you make the columns bigger. You can also, and then we have over here, which is the basic inputs for the waterfall. So in this top case, we are dealing with an IRR waterfall, so it deals with everything IRR. The second case is with just compounding without accruing, IRRs with accruing also. And the third case is just an equity multiple. So in the first case, we are also distributing capital after the preferred return is returned in all three of these cases. So how does it actually work? How do we get these numbers to run? So if you click over here on the right hand side, you can click refresh. This will talk with my server, and we will now get information on this equity waterfall. So you can see here that there's a 10%, so 900,000 multiplied by 1.1 is 990,000, and now multiply that 990,000 by 1.1 again. We're compounding and accruing year over year. The reason that this number gets a little bit more, that extra cents, is because this is a leap year. So occasionally you'll see a leap year. It's a lot easier to spot in the compounding, but that's the reason why we're going by date times. Over here you can see more information. You can go through it yourself. You can see all the different splits, the hurdle, all the different information as if you were creating it yourself, all the different tiers, and all the different returns. Great. Now we can go to the compounding. In the compounding, we see a similar thing where it's the 900,000, but it's just adding that 900,000 year over year. So that's another 900,000. And then over here, you can see again that where are those cents coming from? It's because it's a leap year. And you can see which hurdles we're hitting, how many we're hitting, and whatnot. Similar for equity multiple, we are getting the equity multiple. You see it's 900,000, and the top one is going to be 0.1, so it's going to be 990,000. Similarly, the next one is going to be to 0.5, so it's going to be 0.5 on top of the capital returned. We are always returning the capital, and then it's going to be whatever percentage on top of the capital first. And then for all the different hurdles, you can see here which hurdles we're hitting, how many we're hitting, etc. It's great. Something really cool also is that over here where we are saving all this data, we can go over here, take all of this saved data, and we can now go to my website. Sorry. We can input the data over here, and it will automatically update our system so that, sorry, wrong tab. Save info right here. Create waterfall, and it'll have the same exact waterfall. And similarly, you can play around with the splits and with the hurdles easily over here and then send it back to the Excel model and just to replace what I just copied. It's relatively simple. I'll just show you how that's done as well. So let's take, for example, years of profit. Let's change it to 4 million. Or let's change, for example, we want to now, the years of profit, actually, you need to change it on the thing because the Excel model overwrites this. But for example, we can take here, we can change it from IRR, we can change it to pay down capital. We can change it to pay down accrued interest. So now it's just accruing. We'll create that. We'll see over here. Now it's just accruing year over year over year. We'll save this info, take it back, copy everything in the text box, go back to the waterfall, paste it in, enter. And now instead of accruing and compounding, it's just accruing. It's just accruing year over year. It's the same thing as this waterfall over here. So that's the basic lowdown on how it works. If you have any more information, please reach out to me. You should have my email, Gary@distributionresolution.com, or you can look at my website. Thank you so much, and keep it real.